Hi, my name is Curtis Sluice, and I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be talking about convergence testing with Reflex Pro. This is a feature that we implemented not too long ago, and we're excited to share this instructional video to get you started. So first, you're going to want to open up the Reflex application on your iPhone or iPad. And then you will either create a new patient ID by clicking on Actions or selecting one that you've previously done. So here we'll select near point of convergence, for example. Now you can see under this patient ID, we have 2 tests that have already been conducted. Once you have taken a test and it's successful, this is the way the data will be displayed to you on Reflex. Now, in order to take a test, we will click Actions, Take Test, and you can see that we are currently in PLR mode. So Reflex currently has 2 different modes to be operating under. PLR mode is, of course, for pupillary light reflex testing. And then if you want to select the near point of convergence testing mode, you will tap the camera on the top of the screen with the 3 dots, and then select NPC for near point of convergence and select Save. Now here you can see that it is selected under normal, and then also for near point of convergence and convergence recovery point testing. For example's sake, we're just going to do near point of convergence right now, and we'll keep it as normal. Now for the iPhone, you will want to be testing with the left eye, and for iPads, you will want to be testing with the right eye. This is a function of the stickers on the back of the iPad or iPhone, which we'll talk about more here in a second. But back to the actual device. To initiate the test, you're going to want to touch the blue circle, and that will initiate the test. And you will track the phone from the patient's eye about 10 inches away and start moving towards their eye until they see double of the line on the sticker on the back of the phone or iPad. And then you will tap it again once they indicate that. And that will complete the test, and Reflex will start processing that information to get you the near point of convergence measurement. So real quick, we will just show how that works. You will tap the blue circle. The percent marker will start filling up. You have about 10 seconds to complete the test, and then tap it again in order to stop the test. It does not need to reach 100% in order for the test to be complete. You must have the test conducted before then, otherwise it will just measure the distance that it last saw on the last frame. Once that's completed, you'll be able to see and review the video and then include notes and export the data. So since there wasn't an actual eye there, that will result in an error. But let's look at a previously taken test. You can see that you can review the video and look at the framing as the eye punches in, and then also get your recorded value. So that's all it takes in order to conduct near point of convergence testing. If you want to do recovery point testing, you will do the opposite of steps, and these happen sequentially with near point of convergence. So what we'll do is take another test, and we'll do both. So we'll track the phone towards the eye. They'll say, oh, I see double. You will tap it again, and now you're ready for recovery point. So in the same fashion, but opposite, you will start towards the face, and you will tap the button, and you will track back until they no longer see double, and the patient indicates that, and you will tap it again, and then you will have your measurements ready to go after it gets done processing. So as a final note, in order to conduct these tests with Reflex, you will need the Reflex stickers that we have available to you. These have been mailed out to many of our customers so far, but if you have not received one, all you have to do is contact us to request one. And they look like this. So it's a white sticker with a line and the Reflex logo beneath it. This is what you'll have the patient focus on. This is calibrated between the camera that you will be lining up with the patient's eye, and then the center of the face where they'll be tracking that point as you get closer. And that allows for proper framing of the Reflex application so we can get the measurement. So that is everything for near point of convergence testing. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us and contact us. We'll be more than happy to help. Otherwise, thank you so much and stay well.